Peppa Pig Goes Camping. Today, Peppa and George are very excited. They're going on holiday. Daddy Pig has a surprise. Honk honk. It's a camper van, grunts Daddy Pig. Wow, gasps Peppa and George. We're going on holiday, sings Peppa. We're going on holiday in our camper van, snort. Says Daddy Pig, looking at the map. Daddy Pig, cries Mummy Pig. Are we lost? Well, begins Daddy Pig. Yes. Grandad Dog and Danny Dog arrive. Hello, calls out Peppa. We're lost. Lost? asks Grandad Dog, confused. Is your sat-nav broken? Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy Pig don't know what sat-nav is. Sat-nav is a computer that helps you find your way, explains Grandad Dog. Welcome to the car of the future, bleeps the sat-nav. Can you tell us where to go? asks Peppa. Go straight, replies the sat-nav. Daddy Pig thanks Grandad Dog and the family continue on their way. We're going on holiday, sings Peppa. We're going on holiday in our camper van. Suddenly, the camper van is low on oil, but Daddy Pig can't find the engine. Mummy Sheep and Susie Sheep arrive in their car. Hello, Susie, cries Peppa. We've lost our engine. Lost your engine, replies Mummy Sheep. I don't know a thing about engines, says Mummy Sheep, but I'll have a look. I'm probably wrong, but this looks like an engine, says Mummy Sheep, lifting the boot. Well spotted, Mummy Sheep, gasps Daddy Pig, pouring oil into the engine. Glug, glug. Daddy Pig thanks Mummy Sheep and the family are off again. Are we nearly there yet? asks Peppa, sighing. Just up the next hill, says the sat-nav. You have reached your destination, says the sat-nav when they get to the top of a steep hill. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Time for bed, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George put on their pyjamas. But where will we sleep? asks Peppa. Mummy Pig and I will sleep on this bed, says Daddy Pig, pressing a button. Whirr! Ta-da! A lovely big bed appears in the room. And you two will sleep upstairs like you always do, says Mummy Pig. Watch this, says Daddy Pig, pressing another button. Whirr! Click! Suddenly the camper van's roof lifts up and a bunk bed appears. Daddy Pig tucks Peppa and George into bed. The camper van is just like our little house, says Peppa. Good night, everyone, says the sat-nav. Sleep well. Snore, 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 snore.